So the program generated 5 rainbow choice. As a result, I choose these 3 questions. And the first one, which is question 3 for quiz 7. Second one is question 3 for quiz 9. And the last one is question 3 for quiz 10. This question is for question 3 for quiz 7. The first option say that if a model I can get a small or zero error in the training set, we don't need to consider the noise because the model I can successfully fit the noise. Absolutely, this statement is wrong because if the model is fit on the training set, there will be a small or zero error rate. The second option say that when the target value is real value, the noise is always gaseous distribution. Absolutely, this statement is also wrong because the noise does not always show gaseous distribution, and there will be some other parts such as unusual distribution. The third option says that in the case of noise in the data set, although a relatively smaller model may have high error in the training set, it is still very popular. The statement is correct because the smaller the model, the stronger its generation ability. The model we want to get does not mean to get good result on the training set. We want it to get better result on the unknown test set. Then the stronger generation ability of this model is better. And the fourth option say that if we collect many samples, we can reduce the noise. This is wrong answer. The noise always exists, no matter how much data we collect. The noise of this data always exists. It is correct answer. And the next question. Which is question 3 for quiz 9. The correct answer, which is the first one. The first option say that this model cannot improve the ability of the model because this model is increment the neural network without hiding layer. This statement is correct because if there is no linear activation function in the hiding layer, the parameter of the hiding layer are a matrix. The hiding layer only prefer matrix operation on the input to obtain the output, but only prefer linear transformation on the input, which cannot improve the ability of the model. Moreover, the parameter of the next layer of the hiding layer are still a matrix, and the result obtained by the multiply the two matrices are still a matrix. In this way, the next layer after the hiding layer can contain the ability of the hiding layer. The second option says that the model can map the data to a new space that the original data cannot represent, which is absolutely wrong because the hiding layer without non-linear activation only prefer matrix linear operation on the data. The obtained data is still in the original space. And the last, which is question 3 for quiz 10. The first option is get a gradient. It is difficult for us to determine the step size of this parameter update. This is correct because if the step size is set to large, it is easy to make the parameter oscillate around the global minima of the function. If the step size is set too small, the parameter will fall into the local minima of the function and the optimized solution cannot be obtained. The second option says that when the parameters are updated, Due to multi-layer structure of the neural network, it is difficult for the previous layer to be affected by the change of Garridan update. This statement is correct. Because the gradient back propagation propagated from the back layer of the network to the front. When the gradient propagated to the front layer, it may lead to the disappearance of the gradient. The third option says that after the gradient is given, it is difficult to determine the update duration of parameter. Absolutely is wrong. The fourth option is contrary to the second option. The fourth option says that the later layer directly in the neural network is more inaccurate. This is absolutely wrong, and we have explained it in the second option. And this is my assignment 3. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you.